Are they removed?
Yes.
Okay.
Signs.
All auto.
RDS. No. Fuel quantity 6,580. Check better. Power reference.
996 reading 110.
906 reading 110. Down to the line.
Engine start with 16 watt power.
So, pack 1, pack 2 off.
Off.
APU bleed off.
Off.
Engine 1 bleed, engine 2 bleed off.
Off.
Cross bleed open.
Open.
Exero pneumatic power connection request.
So that you can do when the
Holiday Europe 2125 ready.
Holiday Europe 2125, check information Zulu Startup approved for pushback contact house 11605, cheers.
Zulu at ground 121 605. Ground, hello, Holiday Europe 2125, position Victor 42, requesting start engine number 2 on idle here with the pneumatic external power, please.
Holiday Europe 2125, telephone, yeah. Request approved, advance ready for pushback.
Audio ready for push.
okay, below the line.
Below the line. Windows doors,
Close.
beacon,
On.
signs, thrust levers,
Idle.
parking brake.
Set.
Check is completed.
Okay.
Ground,
Yes, good.
are you ready to get started? Did you copy? 5 copy.
We connecting in this moment, so I think we will finish in the next 10 seconds.
Yes, please, we can apply pressure.
Copy. Copy from us.
Yes, ground.
So pressure is there.
Thank you. Starting engine 2.
Tuesday.
Continue.
So, external power connection request when clear to start, engine 2 start. As necessary, engine 1 can also be started by its own. After engine start, external power check available.
Continue.
Okay, after engine 2 is starting, external power check available. Disconnection, we know this external power connection request, we did it. If external pneumatic power is used to start engine 1, it's not the case. If crossbreed engine start procedure is used, we'll go to this.
Did you read everything before that?
Yes, engine starts. This we read it.
Pack 1 on, pack 2 on, engine 2 bleed on. Pack 1 on, pack 2 on, engine 2 bleed on.
Engine 2 on.
And then we go. Now you can ask for pushback and cross bleed engine start.
Holiday Europe 2125 requesting push back
right now facing east and can start engine 1 2.
Let's go start it after the motion.
Okay, copy.
Okay. Before second engine starts, APU bleed off.
Stand by.
Connect tower 11830. Parking brake set, performance clear behind engine 2 because we have decreased thrust for the crossing.
Okay, let's copy.
Continue.
Before second start, APU bleed off.
Off.
Engine bleed supply.
Okay, tower is
engine
disconnected, steering wheel is removed, so we're ready to engine 1.
Engine bleed supplying engine on.
On.
Engine bleed receiving engine off.
Off.
It's on, huh? You said, yeah. Cross bleed open.
Open.
When clear to start, area clear of obstacle confirmed.
Confirm.
Thrust level supplying engine adjust for bleed pressure. Adjust thrust of supplying engine to obtain engine bleed pressure of 30 psi before start initiation and at least 25 psi during the start sequence. If the thrust required to obtain the appropriate engine bleed pressure exceed 40% and 1, pay particular attention to the surrounding area. Receiving engine, start. So now you put 34.
Start.
Okay, Grad, we have 2 good starts and disconnect.
Okay, that sounds great. So this is method and just going to right to the side. So which one supplies to the inside and
Right.
Continuing after start. Thrust level supplying engine idle.
I don't.
Thrust bleed. Auto.
Auto.
Engine lead receiving engine on.
On,
Pack 1, pack 2 on.
on.
And supplementary checklist.
Okay. Do we have signal from ground?
I have him.
Okay, ignitor fan on and after start check
After start checklist. Empty ice.
is on.